my fellow crafters, and welcome back to Inspiration for Cards. My name is David, and today I'm going to be making a card for you. A card with a little story, that is. Sometimes you buy something because you see it in a video. That happened to me quite a lot. I bought it, or I saw it in a video, I bought it, and then I thought, how do you use that? And then the other day I came across a video again, and I thought, oh yeah, I should use that. And then I forgot about it again. And then it says, apply in the directions, I was reading that. Apply over artwork with fingers, buff away excess with dry paper towel. So I thought, okay. Now I've experimented with it and I came up with an idea. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be doing one of the most fun things you can do with inks. Well, there's a lot of fun things you can do with inks, but one of my favorite things is ink smushing. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I've got 3 colors of Distress Oxide here, and we're just going to play with some watercolor cardstock. I'm going to cut out a page using this size. I've already cut out the black background because it's very nice. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a very beautiful stitched edge around it. It's something different. I like that. I'm going to cut out the panel from here using the smaller one. I've already cut out the sentiment, a big, bold, happy birthday sentiment out of the back layer because nobody's going to know, nobody's going to see. So why waste paper? That's what I thought. So that's already done. So that's from Elizabeth Craft Designs, the stitched rounded rectangles. Very handy to have in your stash. I like that a lot. And I'm going to use this one to cut out that final piece. The back, now how do you call that? The background layer. I've got my card base ready. I've got my happy birthday ready. So I'm ready to go. So let's continue and do some ink smushing. Some Mermaid Lagoon, beautiful color. I'm gonna put some orange on there. And I'm gonna put some Kitsch Flamingo on there. And then I'm going to spray them with water. Get my cloth. And smush my paper in there. Simple as that. Now, don't get me wrong. I love the oxides and I love what you can do with them. Ooh, look at that. I love this. I love what you can do with them. I love that you can dip and mix and match and put different layers and use them for watercoloring, etc., etc. But they have a bit of a chalky finish. Now, there's nothing wrong with the chalky finish. Don't get me wrong. I actually love that about the oxides, but sometimes you want something brighter. And that's what I'm going for now. Now, these colors are already quite bright. Just let me, I love that drop there. Because what we created is some green as well to come and play in the party. Okay, that's enough for now. I'm gonna dry this using my heated tool. I'm gonna quickly dry this. Don't mind the drips. But what I also love about these oxides is that you can layer them. And that's what we're gonna do now. Now, I already see I've got enough blue for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put down some Kitsch Flamingo because I want a bit more of that beautiful bright pink on there. I'm gonna put on some of this. And just a tiny bit, okay. Because I can. Spray it with water. Make the droplets. Clean up my hands. And then I'm going to make sure I've got a lot of the pink on there and press it down. Also spray on the paper again. Pick up some more of that pink. that orange. And also let nature do its work. And dry again. There's some nice droplets there that I want on there. So I'm gonna pick them up because this bit was a bit boring. Put in some more pink. In here. And dry again. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create some splatters. Let me close these up because I don't need those anymore. I've got color enough on there. I really love how this came out, so I will definitely be using that. Splatter on there a bit. And dry again. Now this already is a beautiful background. I love the structure in it. You can already see the layering of the coloring. There's depth in there, but I want to do something else to it. I'm going to take a clean thingamabobbly felt for my blender, and I'm going to go into the Distress Glaze with my felt. That's the word I was looking for. Pick some up. This is dry, and I'm gonna go over this. Just blend it in. Rub it in there. Just rub that glaze over there. And what is happening is this stays clean. And I don't know if you can see it, but this is giving it some shine, okay? But it's giving it incredible depth. It's taking away that chalkiness of the Distress ink, which I love, don't get me wrong, I love the chalky finish. Sometimes you want something different, and now the layering of these paints, of these inks, sorry, not paints, but the layering, it's just stunning. It's just coming to life completely. So that's the beauty of using this glaze over your oxides. Now I'm going to take a clean piece of paper, and then I will zoom in for you so you can see the effect. But wow. So what it says in the instructions is buff away the excess with a dry paper towel. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so I've buffed it off. Now I absolutely love this. It's very nice and smooth. It's dry, it doesn't stick or anything, but look at the depth in that layering it created. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. I absolutely love it. And it's waterproof now. Also, this will not go anywhere, so you can stamp on it, you can do layering over it again, but I'm not going to do that. I think this is beautiful as is. But you really see the different layers of color build up coming through even more now than before, and it's far more vibrant than it was before. So I'm gonna find my favorite spot, and I'm gonna die cut that out, and I know that's gonna be right about here, because that's gonna give me a sort of half greenish. The blue is gonna be in there and the pink. So I'll cut this out and I'll be back. Okay, so that's cut out. This can go in the bin. And also this has a beautiful stitched edge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this together on the black, and look at these colors pop once you put that on the black. Love it. Right, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some tape on the back because it's warped a bit and I really want that to be on there firmly. So that's that, and I'm tricking myself a bit here because I need to get it right the first time, but I know I can do it. Have faith, David. I'm going to put this on the back, press it down. This double-sided adhesive really sticky, works like a charm. And put it over this black layer, making sure it's even and straight, so I have to pick it up because with the lightning otherwise I can't see it, but there we go, there we have it. So that's on there, and that's going to go onto the base card. Now you see there's already some adhesive there, so I'm just going to put some glue around the corners here. Making sure it sticks everywhere, making sure the card is the right way around. Now that happened to me quite often, I've got to be honest. And then assemble this card. Put it on the front. It's going to be a side folded card. There we go. Give it some pressure. Give the glue some time to adhere. And I keep looking at the depth of these colors. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Right, next is my happy birthday. And the reason I did this in black is look at how that pops up from that background. You've got to love it. So I'm going to put some glue on this. And then stick it to the card. It really makes it a high impact card, in my opinion. Okay, let's hover over that. And put it on there. Just put some glue on my finger and make sure these little tiny bits that pop up are also tucked down. There we go. I like to take a stamping block and press that down on it, just to make sure that the glue adheres to it and that everything is pressed down nicely. Now this glue is transparent, so it will dry beautifully clear. And since the oxides are protected, it will not reactivate the oxide inks, changing the color, which is also nice. So that's that. And I think I'm gonna leave it here. Now I really, sometimes I think we go overboard when we embellish, and I do that definitely, but I think this card doesn't need much more. I can always do it later on once I decide whether it's going to go to a man or a woman. Because for a woman I can put on some more shimmer and shine. But on the other hand, I really love how this came out. It's a beautiful, stunning card. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it as is. Now, as I said before, I'm going to put a full list of products I use down in the description bar. These are affiliate links, so if you want to buy something that I've used today, you can find it there. And, well, while we're at it, if you like it, please consider to subscribe to my channel. That would really make my day and help me grow this channel. I've got a goal now to grow my channel further to 1,000, so if you can help me with that, that would be fantastic. Thank you for that, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I love to see you for the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.